simple or hard? What do you choose? It's Patti Allred here in North Carolina, and this kind of popped up at me today, and I wanted to ask you, are you choosing simplicity or are you choosing hard? You know, we all need to stop and think about that and know that we usually choose hard. Why do we do that? Because the world tells us to. I mean, are you watching TV? Are you seeing commercials that are showing you where you're not, where you're supposed to be? And they're telling us what we are supposed to be wanting instead of us choosing our own happy. Yeah, it happens every day. Billboards, signs, just being around people whenever you're out in public, if you go out in public anymore. Are you tired of it? Jeez, I am. Listen, I just want to help. That's it. I'm looking. No, I'm on a mission to help those that want to be helped. Some of you don't even know that you want to be helped. But look, I'm looking for those that know they do. I have a simple plan that I follow, and it has taken a load off of my shoulders. How would that feel? Are you tired? Are you tired of the struggle? Hey, I'm a grandma. I love life. It's busy, it's chaotic, it's hectic, but I love it because I choose simplicity. I choose the simple way. I am not choosing hard anymore. Come on and join me. Somewhere on this page, there's a link, and you can click and see recommendations that I have that you can try. I also am doing a bonus where whenever you do decide to choose one of the simple systems that I'm using, I'll give you a 30-minute free Zoom with me. Let's get you on the right track. I love you and I care, and you are worth it, and you are worth investing in yourself. You're worth enjoying life. Hey, my thing is choose happy. It's way better. Can I get a witness? Okay. Click the link. Share this video. Join my group. I'll have several little links in my description. Hey, check them out. You owe it to yourself. Let's take a load off. You deserve it.